Hey guys, what's up? This is Z from Z's World. I just want to show you the latest edition of my RC world. I just got the Traxxas TRX4 Blazer, the orange and white. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and let you know what it comes with and show you what it actually looks like. So let's just get this bad boy out. Pretty sweet. Has a clip body. Not like what Traxxas usually does. Has it all set up on the inside for a light kit so that you can get at one point with the tail lights and the headlights. And it's wrapped in a nice plastic to keep it safe. And if you look at the rest of the truck here, this is the step above the Sport. It has front and rear locking diffs connected by these servos and these cables. A 21 turn motor. And it is 3S LiPo compatible. Comes with decent shocks from Traxxas. They always seem to make really good shocks right from the factory. Nice chrome accents. I know I won't keep it factory for long. I end up upgrading the motor to a brushless system, possibly hobby wing. If you want to look at the front of this thing, it looks pretty sweet. Has portal axles. And that's pretty much the whole truck. I mean, there's nothing to it right now. It just has regular links and everything. That drive shafts are plastic. Nice battery tray. Here's your ESC with the, where basically right here is where you can connect your lights and electronics to when you buy the kit. And it comes with the top qualifier remote right here. Standard Traxxas remote, you know, and it comes with a 2-speed transmission. And that's pretty much it. Decent size, decent foam compound. And that's basically what she's going to do for now until I get into taking it apart and doing some other stuff to it for upgrades. So stay tuned. Then we have a video coming up of it just driving with the factory setup and see how that goes. Thank you, and click the like button and subscribe.